You want to just don't hit him with the dinosaur, but you can show him the dinosaur. Let's put the dinosaur down for a minute. Watch. You want to give him a scrub? This. Here, put some bubbles on him. Yep. Do his hands or his belly? Okay, do his belly. Good job. Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. He does like it.
It's probably freezing.
Yeah.
It will go in there?
Yeah. That he doesn't go in it. We just wipe him with it. We gotta wipe his butt.
Don't forget to drizzle it on the circumcision.
Yeah, 1 second.
Do they not recommend top baths at this point?
This is just easier.
Little tiny
No,
tub
he's
baths.
getting submerged.
Oh yeah, he actually can't be submerged right now.
Here, Jack.
Because of those two operations.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes that warm water will calm them, but
No, you can't right now.
if we can't do it, we can't do it.
Do his belly. Real fast. Because he's kind of
I'm kind of getting into it here.
good job.
Good job, bud.
Good job.
You're a good helper, buddy.
Yeah.
Jack, can you say, Nolan, it's your first bath?
No one's that first year back.
Can you look at the camera and say that?
Let's move your chair here. You can sit down. Sit down here. Where do you want to go with?